Hi there, my name is Nora, your virtual trainer. Welcome to this tutorial video on the new NH301 Holter analysis software from NORAV Medical. NH301 is the latest version of NORAV's Holter analysis system. It features a brand new user interface and more advanced analysis capabilities. In this first video, we will provide an overview of the key features and navigation of the NH301 user interface. There will be a total of 3 tutorial videos diving deeper into using the software. So let's get started. The NH301 Holter analysis system offers 1 to 336-hour ambulatory ECG monitoring with detailed analysis of the recorded ECG data. Key features include advanced arrhythmia and pacemaker beat detection, easy-to-use interface for efficient workflow, comprehensive ECG analysis and report generation, powerful data storage capabilities. To perform ECG analysis using NH301, you will go through the following steps. 1. Prepare and connect the patient. 2. Set up and initiate the Holter recorder. 3. Perform a Holter test. 4. Download the recorded ECG data. 5. Analyze the recording and generate a report. Okay, now let's take a tour of the main user interface. Once you have logged in successfully, you will be directed to the Record List view, from which you can prepare recorders, download recordings, load records for analysis, and more. On the left, you can find the Views sidebar, allowing quick navigation between the different views for your workflow tasks, from preparing the recorder to finalizing the analysis report. You can also access menus at the top for functionality like record management, general settings, and switching between views. Multiple system display options are edit patient data and recording diary, set analysis parameters and start ECG analysis, review and manage peak detection results, assess arrhythmia events, review full disclosure ECG data, examine HRV analysis and ST trends, hourly summary of arrhythmias, customize and generate analysis report. You can also search, sort, and filter records here. Now, let's have a deeper look at each view. In the Record Info view, you can edit patient data and the diary of the downloaded record. In the Analysis view, you can define the start and end points for analysis and include or exclude specific segments of the record. Right-click on the ECG signal page or use the action bar at the bottom to do that. You can adjust ECG signal visualization via control boxes on the left. They affect only the screen view. Set the analysis parameters through control boxes on the right and click the Start button to initiate the analysis. After completing the analysis, all views in the Views sidebar become accessible. The Templates view enables you to efficiently inspect beat analysis results. You can review, edit, reclassify, overlay, merge, check, and delete individual beats or entire templates efficiently. Navigate beats using either the arrow buttons within the template box or your scroll wheel. Manage templates using the top toolbar through drop-down menus and controls within each template box or via keyboard. Clicking a template box shifts you to the Beats view, where you can manipulate individual beats, sort, filter, classify, delete, and verify them. In the bottom part of the view area, an ECG strip displays the current beat and surrounding ECG traces. Use the toolbar above the strip to manipulate the strip and manage and reclassify beats, add events, and more. The Events view allows you to assess detected arrhythmias by providing quick navigation through example strips and trend overviews. Switch between arrhythmia types by clicking different events in the events list. To the right, the HR and RR buttons in the Trends view display heart rate or RR interval trends. Select trend segments by right-clicking and dragging. Then manage beats, add events, or exclude noisy segments via the context menu or toolbar. The histogram below the Trends view indicates the frequency of the selected arrhythmia type. You can edit it like the trends above. In the middle pane, you can control sample strips with the top toolbar. The left controls let you navigate, sort, and filter events. The toolbar manages events, handles editing, adding, checking, and deleting, as well as notes for events. The right controls adjust the verbosity of the event boxes. The bottom pane displays either an ECG strip or a full disclosure. Here, you can preview and scan ECG traces, create user-defined events, manage beats, exclude noisy segments, and print ECG examples. Settings are auto-saved per arrhythmia type for future sessions. Use the Undo button to reverse recent changes. The page view shows full disclosure ECG data and allows back and forth navigation for review. ECG sections are viewable one channel at a time. This view displays complete ECG data, enabling you to navigate and review the entire recording. Use the right mouse button to highlight ECG segments for adding events, deleting beats, excluding noisy intervals, or printing ECG samples. A green circle on the page indicates current position in the ECG record, shown in the lower detailed strip view. The Graphs view lets you examine HRV analysis results and preview SD trends. HRV graphs cover both time and frequency domain analysis. The SD view mode represents SD calculations for each ECG channel. The top trend on the page shows the HR or RR intervals. The lower panel displays the same detailed ECG strip you've seen earlier. The tabular summary displays an hourly tabular report of all detected arrhythmias. It helps to contextualize the specific conditions under which they appear. Summary may include a pacemaker report. You can export it to PDF or Excel. In the report view, customize the final document by toggling different sections and their settings: summary, conclusion, events, different charts, and full disclosure. Then click Generate Report. After generating the report, review and complete it by filling in the conclusion. Click Confirm to finish. You can also export it to PDF and print. Under Settings, you can customize default values, analysis algorithms, pacemaker settings, and much more to optimize your workflow. While working with patient records, utilize the top menu bar to control general functionalities such as record management, software settings, and views switching. Switching views through the Views menu functions identically to the Views sidebar. Functions like Save Record and Undo become active once you load a patient record. The File drop-down menu provides options for importing, exporting, and saving patient records, as well as for accessing settings and exiting the application. Tailor your NH301 experience and workflow by adjusting settings. Defaults: store details like your medical institution's name, address, and controls for ECG scales and gains. General: configure system functionality, including temp folder path, logging level, and autosave options. Algorithm: fine-tune analysis, algorithm sensitivity. Pacemaker: set default pacemaker parameters here. Symptoms, activities, medications, and indications. Edit predefined lists in these categories to suit your needs. Events: control the layout for the events view. Records and reports: manage technical parameters for storing records and report templates. Templates: set the workflow for ECG template checking. So in summary, those are the key components of the user interface and workflow for the new NH301 Holter analysis software. Stay tuned for our next videos, where we will dive deeper into using the software for ECG analysis and report generation.